flip this radiator support over to the other side, and no surprise, as I said, on the passenger side here. Everything looks good over here. All looks pretty good. On the bottom, you know, a little bit fits here, but not bad. But again, like I said here, where this side was rotted, the driver's side, you can see on the face part of it too. Now, yeah, these round holes here and here are supposed to be here, up here, but none of these are. So those will have to have some repair work done to them. So we'll bring you back and make more progress on it. Alright, if I can't hold this camera, show a little tip of the day here, a little trick that I try to do. I said these have been blasted, but as you can see, focus on it, there's rust in those pits. I just use a rotary die grinder, small, fine wire brush on it. That seems to get in here the best. So I'll get the rest of this cleaned up, bring it back, we get her done. Okay, we've got all these parts prepped. So you know how deep these pits are. Definitely have to be glazed. Dent there. Water and dirt definitely laid in here idle for a long time. Hit it like that. Some down in here, but not bad. So that exposed that rod even more. Down brace. Hit it up real nice too. Really don't see this one in front of the radiator behind the grill, but we'll make it look good. This top part up here is highly visible, so it has to be done right. Heavy pits. The pits right here. Alright, there you have it. So we got all these all done, all cleaned up. All repair right here. All those handprints. Those all taken off. Been bent up real bad right here. Probably must have been hitting the front end. This is all wrinkled. It seems to fit. I have to do another trial on it. It seemed to fit pretty good, but God, it looks like it's all out of whack. So we'll see when we mount it on the car. Had them on once and they were powder coated. Seemed to fit. See how this side just that's straight down, but of course they're opposite sides. This has been welded on right here. Lovely. I think I had a problem with that one too. If I put this one in, this back one didn't want to fit. I'd be willing to bet if I put all of these in, this one won't fit because it's probably in the wrong place. So let's see what we got when we refit them. Alright, bring you back later. Alright, back on our GTO today. I got my icing out here and This is a bit older one, a little thick in the tube, so I've set this up before, right here. A bit of polyester resin. Mix a bit of the liquid in with it. Mix it up, get as thin as you want it, as creamy and smooth as you want it. What we did with that today was working on this radiator support that was sandblasted. Revealed all the pits. See? We're just going to fill the main portion of these pits with that, and then we'll prime it heavily. Probably our worst spot right here. And then I do something here. I keep my old sandpaper back like this. Got some that's worn a little bit like that. Hang on to those. So then I'll take and I will sand. Knock the rough down on this while it's still soft. Try to hit these edges. Any spreader lines. Knock those down. So I don't care if it balls up on here. That's the whole idea. So I'm going to go ahead and rough this down. I'll bring you back when we're done.